Is this the countdown to crisis? And are you prepared for the upcoming economic collapse? Well, this is the subject that I'm going to go deep on our live broadcast on Wednesday with my old friend, Jim Rickards, who spent time in the CIA. He spent time in long-term capital management, one of the biggest hedge funds at the time that collapsed and nearly took financial markets with him. And I've had Jim on my show many, many times, and he's an expert when it comes to identifying recessions, talking about inflation, talking about gold, CBDCs, and the entire global economic system. And Jim is going to be giving it to you straight, live on our show, Wednesday, 4 p.m. UK time. That's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And really talk about some very, very upcoming important events when it comes to what we're seeing with inflation, when we're seeing to the jobless rate, when we're seeing to spikes in oil prices. He's got real deep insight to what's going on right now with the war in Ukraine and what's happening in China as well. And Jim is one of my trusted experts, along with Robert Kiyosaki, that I bring in when we're having these serious financial and economic crises to try to make sense of it all. And I want to invite you to be there live for this episode because it could really affect your economic future. There's a link below, or go to londonreal.tv/Rickards. That's RICKARDS. And again, Jim really knows what he's talking about. He's written many, many books on this subject, and we're going to be going deep on this on Wednesday. So click the link below. We'll see you there for this live broadcast. It's going to be incredible, and it's going to really help you prepare for what could be an upcoming economic collapse.